grilling doesn't have to mean burgers and hot dogs on meat on repeat.
Meat on repeat, right. Consumer Reports in-house chef shares some fresh ideas to inspire your grilling season and some tips on buying the right grill. News 3's Chris Stanford reports.
Consumer Reports' Paul Hope writes about grills, but he's also a trained chef. And while he loves a good pork shoulder on the grill, he says grilling can help you get your greens and so much more.
You can actually grill leafy greens just like you can anything else.
Grilled veggies like eggplant, zucchini, and onions are all good go-to grilled veggies. You can expand your non-meat repertoire to create interesting tastes and dishes too, like grilled polenta with roasted tomatoes. Or try grilling celery. Grill the celery until it's tender, then you can toss it in with some truffle oil, Parmesan, and crushed red pepper. A new take on an already easy meal? Skewer pre-cooked meatballs and cook until heated through. They're fun and easy to eat, and try swapping in ground turkey for a new take. You can give soon-to-be expired bread new life on the grill, too. Just add a little olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and enjoy as is or top with some grilled veggies. Paul says not to shy away from fish either.
You start with a fish that's a little heartier and that's not going to flake and fall apart. Something like salmon, tuna are both great choices. You want to oil the fish itself and season it, but you also want to oil the grill grates right before you put the fish down.
If you want to splurge on a new grill, this $750 Weber Genesis tops CR's ratings for midsize grills.
So as a brand, Weber tends to do very well in our grill ratings, and they also come out near the very top of our annual surveys of reliability and owner satisfaction.
And if you're constantly cooking for a crowd, consider this large-size grill from Momentum Grills, a Consumer Reports Best Buy. It outperformed other large-size grills that cost twice as much, if not more. For Consumer Reports, I'm Chris Stanford, News 3 Now.
Thank you, Chris. Those are some great ideas. Another great grilling option, says Consumer Reports, pizza on the grill. You can buy a pre-made pie or get creative with your own.
Komodo style grill works wonders with a thin crust, but you can also try grilling your favorite pizzas on a gas grill with a pizza stone at a high temperature.
That's what Hattie McLean does,
yes, she
right?
does, yeah.
And she raves it.
She loves it.
All right, that's something interesting to try.